Hey all, welcome to another video on pyspark. In this video we will see how to access elements from a column of a data frame which has values in form of dictionary. So let's suppose you have a column which holds values like these. Car name. I will create a simple dictionary for this particular example. So this is a car name, then car price. So these values are random. I don't know what exact values are. Color of car. Okay, so now this is one of the dictionary that we have, and if it's part of a data frame, a pyspark data frame, then how can we access these different elements? So let's dive into the code directly. It will give us better understanding of how things work. So let's start with creating a spark session. I already have one, but you can follow me if you haven't created a spark session, or otherwise you can skip this part. So we'll quickly create it. Yeah, you have to import spark session as well from the spark, though the error was a different one. You can simply import spark session and then you can follow the command. So this is the whole code for creating a spark session. So and there can be different attributes to create a session, but yeah, we are going with a simple one, and we have a spark session in place. Now start with creating a data frame. Data. Now we'll have different things in here. Let's start with a brand. Let's call it a brand name, Ford. Then we'll add this dictionary in here. Okay, yeah, so these are the two columns for our data frame, and we will add some more. You can take any other example of your choice. I just decided to go with cars this time. The same dictionary, we will have, because we should follow a pattern to make our code more dynamic, and that's how most of the times data look like. We'll have another one. Yeah, let's add the price of this car as well, and finally the color. Okay, so we have 3 rows for our data frame. Let's create column, make it a brand and detail. Okay, so we have our data in with us, and we can now create a data frame. Yeah, let's see how it looks like. Sorry, yeah, I just forgot to place an equal sign here. Okay, let's see the results now. Yeah, so you can see we have 2 different columns, a data frame with 2 different columns. One has the value, simple string values, and other has the values in form of dictionary. And now we can use with column to extract the values from these dictionaries, this dictionary column. Okay, so for this we'll simply write a different code snippet. Yeah, so for accessing different things in here within the dictionary, we just need to use dot, and we need some chaining of different columns that we have in our data frame, and it makes the job. So I'll use with column, and let's take out the car name. For that, I'll create a new column. Yeah, so we'll have a new column called car name, and then we can take out the things from within from here. So for that, I'll make it like df. So we have to specify which exact key that we need to extract. So here the key is car name, and that's the thing we are going to extract. So it comes under the column detail, and then can have car name in here, and let's try to see if it works or not. Yeah, so we have a new column which names like this car name, and we have different the names that was there in our dictionary. So for first it is Mustang, second is Fortuner, and then ultimately it's Ferrari. We have three different values in here. So that's how generally you access different elements or the different keys from your dictionary column. It's kind of the simple thing. Yeah, it's one of the most simplest thing that you can do. And yeah, you can use these values further in your transforms. So that was all for this video. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch other videos as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.